Are you looking for the best laptop cooling pad? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best laptop cooling pad on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COOLCOLD Cooler Pad Chill Mat 5. COOLCOLD makes a highly impressive laptop cooling pad, which uses 5 fans. The one in the middle is a bigger 120mm model, surrounded by 70mm fans, to deliver an impressive amount of cooling, while still remaining quiet to boot. The chill mat scores strongly in the versatility stakes as you can switch some of the fans off. It's possible to have one working, 4, or all 5, plus it can be raised, using a ratchet mechanism, like a deck chair, through 6 different height settings depending on your preference. You might want to crank it right up when watching a movie, for example. This cooling pad can take 12-inch to 17-inch laptops, so all common sizes, with a pair of stoppers at the front to prevent the notebook from sliding off. It also boasts a USB hub with 2 USB 2.0 ports. In short, this is a high-quality cooling pad with flexibility in spades, and it benefits from a reasonable mid-range price tag, making it our top pick for an all-rounder that covers everything without doing too much damage to your wallet. Number 2. Cooler Master Notepal U3 Plus. Cooler Master knows cool, you would hope, and the firm's Notepal is a winner in our books. Using a single large 230mm fan, which is impressively quiet, we might add, it has a fan speed controller, and is designed to pipe optimal airflow through your laptop. Indeed, it shifts an impressive amount of air, being rated at 89.8 cubic feet per minute, a very effective level of cooling. This device also benefits from a slightly tilted ergonomic design, aiming to give you the best angle to use your notebook's keyboard, along with non-slip feet for stability when placed on a surface. As an added bonus, there are 3 USB ports around the back. The Notepal XL is capable of holding laptops up to 17 inches in size, and to cap things off, it's reasonably priced for the cooling performance you're getting here. This product is a very close second to the COOLCOLD, but just loses out on the versatility front. If you can't find the COOLCOLD outside of the US, in some regions stock seems very thin on the ground, then this is a great alternative for powerful cooling. Number 3. Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB. If you need the best laptop cooling pad for a hefty notebook, then this Thermaltake product can cope with a massive laptop as the name suggests. It won't break a sweat with a 17-inch portable, and is even capable of playing host to larger 19-inch gaming laptops. It has one 200mm fan for cooling. The fan speed is adjustable, and there are 3 different height settings, up to an angle of 13 degrees. The large fan provides efficient cooling for bigger laptops, plus you also get RGB lighting around the edges of the pad with various different modes, pulsing, blinking, or just static lighting of different colors. It's fashioned from plastic and the build quality perhaps isn't the best you'll encounter in the cooling pad world, but it's plenty sturdy enough to do the job of supporting a hefty gaming laptop. Note that the price tag is reasonably hefty here, too. Number 4. Targus Chill Mat. For those who want their cooling pad to also provide expansion capabilities to hook up a number of other peripherals, check out the Targus Chill Mat, which is a little bit like a laptop dock crossed with a cooling solution. The Chill Mat sports a 4-port USB hub, with USB 2.0 port, and delivers cooling via a pair of fans, although Targus doesn't specify what size they are, although the maker does state that they can run at up to 2,500 revolutions per minute. This is a well-constructed device which is impressively slim, and can be adjusted between 4 different height levels. For those with laptops that have few USB ports, this could be a useful solution on twin fronts. Number 5. Cooler Master Notepal X Slim. If you want a cooling pad which is nicely portable to carry around with you, then the X Slim fits the bill. It measures only 27.5mm at its thinnest point, and it's very light with a weight of 700 grams. There are other products that come close to this level of portability, have its 12-inch to 17-inch laptop cooler, for example, but Cooler Master's effort gets the nod due to its quality build. It's also capable of coping with laptops up to 17 inches in size, and the single 160mm fan offers excellent airflow while keeping things whisper quiet. The X Slim benefits from nifty cable management facilities, too, to keep things tidy as well as portable. While the Notepad X Slim is tidily compact, if you want a truly portable accessory to cool your laptop, check out our final entry below. Number 6. COOLCOLD. Okay, so we thought we'd throw this one in at the end as a bit of a wild card, because while it isn't a laptop cooling pad as such, it's a fan-based accessory which does a similar thing, albeit via sucking rather than blowing air. And for those who want a really portable solution, this is a truly compact affair, whereas obviously any laptop cooling pad won't be all that small, given that they all, inevitably, have a notebook-sized footprint. Note that there is a sizable caveat here. Your laptop will need a vent at the side or rear for one of these devices to be attached. If you only have air vents on the base of your laptop, then we're afraid you're out of luck as far as these particular products go. As mentioned, rather than blowing air into the laptop to cool it, the idea with a so-called vacuum cooler is that they suck air out, but that has an equally cooling effect. Some even argue it's more effective than a traditional cooling pad, but either way, you're getting the job done as long as you pick a good product from the available solutions out there. And in this case, our recommendation is COOLCOLD, a very effective cooler which comes with a number of different attachments, so you're covered whatever the size of the air vent you're attaching the device to. It also measures the temperature inside your laptop and automatically adjusts the fan speed for the appropriate level of cooling. Pretty nifty indeed. The manufacturer backs the product with a 5-year warranty and a 30-day free return policy, so you can give it a whirl to see how it works with your notebook. A further bonus is that this isn't an expensive accessory, either, falling in line with the pricing of the more affordable cooling pads.